Good morning, student. Again, I welcome you all in your today's maths class. Today, we will learn about the subtraction by borrowing. Okay, so we will understand how we can solve the subtraction related to borrowing. Okay, so let's see. First of all, what you have to do, as I have already explained, you have to arrange the given number in their respective column. So here the number is given, and firstly we will arrange the number. These are ones, tens, 100,000. There are 4-digit number. It contains 1,000 place, so we will write 1,000 up to 1,000, ones, tens, 100,000. Then after we will write the number. Which number is greater, that number we have to write at the first. So here 3,462 is greater as compared to 2,276. So we will write 3,462. Is it clear? And then after we will write the number, that is 2,276. Okay. And once we have arranged the number and written in their respective column, what is our next work? Our next work is to do the subtraction. So here 2 is there and 6 is there. We have to subtract 6 from the 2. So we can't subtract 6 from the 2. For this we have to take borrow marks from the tens place, and this tens place gives 1 marks and it becomes 10. And this 10 and this 2, it becomes 12. And if we subtract 6 from the 12, it will 6. Okay. And now we will cut this number 6 and we will write that like 5, because this number have given the 1 borrow marks to the ones place. And now again we can't subtract the 7 from the given number, that is 5. So again we will take 1 borrow marks from the 100 place and it will give tens. And we will add this number, that is 10 and 5, 15. And if we subtract 7 from the given number 15, what will be our answer? Our answer will be 8. Is it clear? Now what is the number? And the number is 3. Okay, and we will cut this 4 and we will write 3, and then after we will subtract the 2. So it's when we subtract 2 from the 3, it becomes 1. Is it clear? Now the next number is 3 and the 2. We have to subtract 2 from the 3, so it's very easy. So our answer will be 1. Okay, so in this way we can do the subtraction related to borrowing. Okay, is it clear? First of all, what we will do, we will arrange the given number in their respective column. Is it clear? Then after, what we will do, we will subtract the given number from the higher number. Okay. And if there is a need to borrow marks from the respective places, we can take the borrow marks and we will do the subtraction. Let's see one more example. Here again we have arranged the given number. I have already arranged so that you can understand well. In the place of ones, tens, 100 and 1,000. And then after we will write the number which is greater. So here we can clearly see that 5,000, 5 is there in the 1,000 place, here 2 is there in the 1,000 place. So we all know that 5 is greater as compared to 2. So we will write 5,656 first, and then after we will write 2,565. Is it clear? And then after we will do the subtraction. So here if we subtract 5 from the 6, we will get 1. Again here 5 is there and we have to subtract 6 from the 5. We can't subtract. So again we will take 1 borrow marks from the 100 place and it will get 10. And this 10 and this 5 becomes 15. And when we subtract this 6 from the given 15, so we will get 9. Okay. And then after we will cut this number, that is 6, and we will write 5. And if we subtract 5 minus 5, it becomes 0. Is it clear? Now this one is 5 and this one is 2. If we subtract 2 from the given number 5, it will become 3. Is it clear? Okay. Now here we will see one more example also. Here again we have to arrange the given number in the respective column. Again we can see that here in the 1,000 place 5 is there, and here in the 1,000 place 1 is there. So 5 is greater, so we will write 5,128 in the first, and we have to subtract 1,814 from that. So we will arrange like this, and after that we will subtract. Here we can see that 8 is there and we have to subtract 4 from the given number 8, so we will get 4. Again, we will subtract 1 from the given number 2. So, what we will get? We will get 1. Again, here 1 is there and we have to subtract 8 from the given number 1. So, what we will do? We will take one carry marks and we will make a box like this and we will put one carry marks there and it becomes 10. That is borrow marks, and we have to cut this 5 and we have to write 4 because this 100 plus have borrowed the marks from the 1000, and this becomes 10 and 1 11, and if we subtract 8 from the 11 it becomes 3. Is it clear? Now this becomes a 4, and if we subtract 1 from the 4 it will become 3. Is it clear? So now in this way we can do the subtraction related to borrowing. Is it clear? It's very simple. You have to practice and you can understand very well. So that's all for today's. Thank you.